In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook post in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating stunning visuals, and with this guide, you'll be able to navigate through the process smoothly. So, let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already, take a moment to sign in or create an account. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you will notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Here is where you will type in Facebook posts. This step is essential because it specifically brings up templates tailored for Facebook, ensuring that your post will look professional and well-suited to the platform's dimensions. Hit enter, and voila, a variety of template options will appear. Now here's where the fun begins. As you scroll through the available templates, take your time to select one that really catches your eye. Consider what message or aesthetic you hope to convey with your post. The right template makes your content more engaging right from the get-go. After you've found the perfect one, click on it, and you'll see an option to customize this template. Go ahead and select that option. This action will take you into Canva's editor, the place where all the magic happens. This is your canvas, pun intended, where you can tweak the design to better suit your style or brand. Whether it involves altering the color scheme to match your brand's palette or swapping out some elements to better fit your narrative, customizing allows you to make your post uniquely yours. With the design open in the editor, it's now time to focus on the text. Click on the text elements present in the template and start editing them. This could involve revising the existing words to something more personal or fitting for your post's purpose. Pay close attention to the font size, style, and color to ensure that it's not only readable, but also visually appealing. This is your opportunity to make your voice heard, so be sure to convey your message clearly and concisely. And there you have it, a customized Facebook post ready to captivate your audience. Once you're satisfied with your design, head over to the top right of the screen and click on Download or Share. Canva offers these options so you can download the file directly to your computer or share it immediately on your social media platforms. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide has empowered you with the skills to create eye-catching Facebook posts using Canva. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more creative guides and tips. Keep exploring and designing, and I'll see you in the next video.